My name is Lee Stafford and I'm incredibly excited to announce the Lee Stafford Experience in association with City and Guilds. This is a fantastic enrichment opportunity open to all City and Guilds hairdressing learners, providing stretch and challenge online education completely free of charge. The basis of the idea is that learners identified by their centres will have access to 3 Lee Stafford commercial hairdressing recipes. The learner will then recreate these recipes while filming themselves, then send the video over to us, which is assessed on 2 simple things. Were the steps of the hair recipe followed to the T, and was the benchmark the same as in the Lee Stafford Education video, with the aim to achieve a Big 10, the Lee Stafford Education highest level of achievement in each of the 3 recipes. If any City and Guild centres would like to find out more information, please contact Emma Mackay on emma.mackay@cityandguilds.com. We launch on Monday the 21st of February and look forward to collaborating with you.